another video. You are watching Phones on Judge UA with me, Kashman. Today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia's version out here. Talking about Nokia's version, we can say it is none other than Nokia 3120 out here for you guys. Talking about Nokia 3120, we can say it was a classic variant back then when it was released in early 2000. And we have seen the same kind of variant when it was released afterwards. Yes, the same kind of name variant out there, 3120 out there when it was later released. That was a slightly different variant across this. Talking about this kind of a variant, which was a classic model out there with the same look out there, which was seen in the early variants, we can say it was slightly lightweighted. Yes, it was a normal lightweighted phone out there with mini SIM and CSTN colorization screen of 4096. Yes, the display was CSTN and colorization was 4096 out here with 1.6 inches screen size. Yes, 1.6 inches size of the phone of the gadget, we can say. This phone had only four-way navigation key out there, as well as you get to see that this four-way navigation along with themes, wallpapers, and all the internal factors like organizations, voice memos, everything out there was seen. Apart from this, it did not go well with the audience because offering a negligible internal storage capacity and no external capacity was not a good version out there, we can say. It did not go well with the audience when you do not get your favorite model with a good amount of internal storage capacity. No camera was there, as you can see. Camera was not introduced by Nokia in the earlier versions out there, and you will not see the loudspeaker. You will see loudspeakers, but not 3.5mm jack. So nothing was possible. No recording, no radio, nothing. So it was just used for calling purpose or sending SMSs out there. Yes, this variant was used only for these two purposes. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, we can say it has a battery life which was a good version. Yes, we can say this was a good version in the battery life because offering you about 400 mAh battery and 6 hours talk time gives a plus point. Yes, this kind of battery life needs to be there because a less uh, we can say a used battery and a more talk time gives a very good version out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, or talking about this version out there, very less battery life. There were other variants also out there which offered you 800 mAh battery or 850, but there were three different variants. 820 mAh battery and 850 mAh battery also was seen in these variants. There were different variants which offered you about 6 to 6.5 hours battery life. So this was also a good version. These can be said as a good version out there. Talking about a good version, these need to be in a side where it is in a worth it price, where you get to see it in a worth it price. And talking about such side, we have got phones on .ae for you. Yes. Description has the link, and this is the site name which has been highlighted. The site name is phoneson.ae. As well as you get to see a category all mobile phones which help you to identify all your favorite gadgets, all your favorite models from these reputed brands. And this search icon where I am typing the model out here, this helps you to search your favorite gadget like Nokia. I'm typing and I am typing the proper name which is Nokia 3120 out here. Talking about the results, we can say that this has a description box. Talking about the description box, it has all kind of specifications written over it. You can check out the specifications. And you also get to see that there is a condition written on the topmost part. The condition written here is a refurbished condition out here. Yes, you get to see refurbished condition written over here. When we talk about refurbished condition, we compare it with the brand new and see how they are similar and dissimilar. Whether refurbished products are good to use or not. So let us talk about that so that you get more clear idea of it. So let us talk about refurbished products and compare it with the brand new products and see how do they differ. Let us know how do these products differ and let us see how are they different from each other. Talking about these products, we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, these products are quite similar products out there. Similar in the sense that the parameters, structurality, functionality, everything remains constant. Everything is same out there. But when we talk about the pricing and other things like usage, year launch, they are slightly different. Yes, they are slightly different out there. Now let us come to the point why we were discussing the refurbished product. We were discussing refurbished product because we would like to know how is it different from brand new. Talking about brand new products, talking about brand new things, we can say they are directly from the company to a mediator and the user or the consumers out there. These are the things, these are the three stages of it. Yes, the company or the original base out there which has introduced that product in the market. Then we come to the mediator and then we come to the user. Whereas when we talk about the refurbished product, they are extension to it. Yes, they are extension to it. Like we had ended up at the consumer, we had three stages. The consumer was the last stage. Now the extension to this adds on to that. Now consumer does not want to use this product. Now consumer wants to have something else. So what they do is they give it to some site, or the pre-owned phones are given to some sites or the agencies out there who gives a parameter certificate to these gadgets that whether they are in good condition or not. Now this starts the refurbished production out here. Now the consumer is our main base, the consumer who is the first user of that gadget. Now the agency and then again the users out there who wants to have that phone. So this is what refurbished phones out. Like a brand new product is only considered as refurbished once it has been pre-owned. Yes, this is what happens actually. Now talking about the parameters, talking about how they are different, how they are similar. Similarities की बात करें, if you talk about the similarities, they have the same functionality and structurality out here, as well as you will get to see that these products have the same parameters or the testers out there which check the quality of a product. Yes. For brand new, we have testers like for the display, the connectivity, SIM testing out there, battery testing, camera testing, the Bluetooth testing, video testing out there, the touch or the type screening, if it's slide then how it is working. Flip phones have a different test. So all the testings which are involved, like everything like colorization, decolorization, connectivity, operating systems out there, processing system out there, GPU, CPU, infrared ports out there, it's sensors out there, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyrometers out there, everything is being tested. So these are the tests for brand new, and these are the same tests which are involved in the refurbished products. Yes, refurbished products also have these kind of tests out there. Now, when we talk about these kind of tests, they are almost 29 parameters, and then these 29 parameters help us to know all the specifications related to that product. Yes, we have almost 29 parameters to discuss about a phone. We discuss about the quality of a phone. So these are the 29 parameters which certify them. Once the certification is given, they are in a good quality. They can be renewed. They are renewed. They are pre-owned, but they can be used again. So these are the similarities and good points out there. Now talking about good points, what are the benefits of having refurbished products over a brand new? We can consider that they provide you up to savings. Yes, they provide you savings out there. Yes, you can save up to 15%. How? The next point comes to that only, that how you can save. You can save because these are in pocketable rates. Yes, when we talk about pocketable rates, brand new products are initially very expensive out there. They are very expensive out there, and when these products are with the time passage, we can say they are considered as refurbished. They are not the brand new now. Now they have been pre-owned and now product is in the condition of refurbished. They are in pocketable rates, and these pocketable rates are said to be very not very expensive out there. They're not very cheap, but they are quite pocketable now. Now, when we talk about these pocketable, then next point comes: do they offer warranty? Yes, they offer you 6 months warranty out here. You get to see 6 months warranty period out here. As well as you also get to see that when you owe from a site, you only get this warranty period. But when you owe from directly the user, you do not get that warranty out here. Yes, warranty period is from the sites only because they have a condition written over the product that it is refurbished or brand new or whatever condition it is. Apart from that, you also get to have a 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this is exactly the same which we do for online shopping. That if you do not get a desirable product, you can exchange it, and that too happens here that you get 7-day exchange policy out there. Talking about the exchange policy, it is on this website I was talking about. Let me take you to the website once again. So we are back to the website out here as we have already discussed about this website. Let me say the name, or we can say re-highlight it. The name has been highlighted again. The name of the website is phonezone.ae. Phone Zone. Yes, you get to hear. You can see from the name itself. Phone and zone, like it's a collection, it's a zone, it's a place where you get to see all kind of variants. Talking about all kind of variants, there is a category out here, all mobile phones, which helps you to know that these kind of brands are available out here, and these are very reputed and renowned brands out here. So you can definitely check out this. Apart from this, you also get to see that this website not only offers you these brands, but also gives you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy out here. Along with this, yes, these are the benefits of having a refurbished product also. But along with this, you get to see that they are offering you COD and free shipping too. Yes, free shipping is also there, COD is also there, so you can definitely check out this website. Apart from that, 100% original products are seen out here, and the brand new products, best deals are there. You get to see a lot of things out there. Apart from that, it offers you 48 hours free shipping within most of the parts of UAE, as well as for Saudi, it might take up to a week. But when we talk about this site, it offers you one of the best pricing in the market. Yes, best pricing it shows you out in the market. So do check out the description. It has the link, or you can go on Google and type phonezone.ae. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.